ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. In the name of Allah Almighty, who blessed us with faith and made us the Ummah of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and made us the student of Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman. My respected teachers, honorable chief guests, and my brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to express my heartful thanks to our respected teachers for providing us such wonderful environment. And I would like to take this opportunity to discuss the services of Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman. My dear listeners, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman is such a personality that it would not be wrong to say about him, the people love him in from every corner of the world. That's why Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman says that the religion of Islam is the name of 5 things. Beliefs are also a part of Islam, worship is also a part of Islam, morality is also a part of Islam, affairs is also a part of Islam, and society is also a part of Islam. Therefore, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman has the services on the every part of the Islam. Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman, because where you are sitting, where you are listening, where you are visiting is also the part of Islam. But because Mutakallim Islam has done so much work on the beliefs, and it has been acknowledged and appreciated until the day of judgment, and it has been also acknowledged by every institute, by Darul Deoband to Darul Karachi, and the other achievement and the specialty of our mentors, Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman, that he has done so much work on the beliefs, and it also done work like as the companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took the religion of Islam from the Holy Prophet and reached it all over the world. In the same way, the students of the Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman took the religion of beliefs and reached in all over the world. Now the question is that why Mutakallim Islam choose the knowledge of beliefs? Question is that why Mutakallim Islam choose the knowledge of Ilmul Kalam? Because my mentor is an expert in the knowledge of Ilmul Kalam. That's why he known as Mutakallim Islam in all over the world. There are many reasons for this. One of these is that Mutakallim Islam Maulana Ilyas Ghuman explained the beliefs into many simple and common words. And the second reason is that why Mutakallim Islam choose the knowledge of Ilmul Kalam. The answer is that Mutakallim Islam choose the knowledge of Ilmul Kalam, choose the knowledge of beliefs, because the beliefs are the fundamentals in the religion of Islam. It means that our action will not be acceptable with the correction of beliefs. If our beliefs are correct, then our actions will be accepted. But if our beliefs are not correct, the actions will not be acceptable. And my dear listeners and my dear brothers, with the shortage of time, I would like to conclude this speech. I would like to conclude my speech for this golden word. Pray even when words fail to flow. Pray even words when fail to flow. Allah understand what your heart wants to show. And thanks for listening.